Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare a very famous Gujarati breakfast item, fafda and instant jalebi, which is a combination made in heaven. Fafda is a crunchy snack, instant jalebi is a sweet snack. These two are paired with side dishes besan and raw papaya salad, which makes a perfect combination altogether. I am just crazy for Gujarati dishes and this is one of my favorite dish. So let's check for the process. Let's start with our first combination, which is done with raw papaya. So we need carrot grated raw papaya, some green chilies, curry leaves. First, let's add little oil into the frying pan. Let it heat a little bit. Now we'll add these green chilies and saute them. Now this is done, we'll just remove this. Into the same pan, we'll add few curry leaves. Now to this we'll add raw papaya, carrot grated. Give it a quick mix. Now we'll add little salt. Mix it, and this should not fry completely, we'll just keep it aside. Now let's see the second combination that we are going to prepare. For that we need gram flour besan, green chilies and curry leaves, salt to taste, mustard and cumin seeds, little turmeric powder. Let's heat the pan, add a little oil. Now we'll season it with mustard seeds and jeera. Now let's add curry leaves and green chilies, little turmeric powder. Now add some water. We'll add little salt and we'll allow it to boil. In the meantime, the water gets boiled. We'll just mix a besan mixture. We'll add little by little quantity of water and make a smooth paste without lumps. Now the water started boiling. Now we'll add this besan mixture what we prepared slowly and mix it properly. Now this is done. After cooling it'll thicken a little bit more. So we'll turn it off and transfer it into a bowl. Now we'll be making instant jalebi. For that first we will take maida. I've taken 1 cup of maida and little more than a teaspoon ghee. Now we'll mix this. Now by adding little water quantity without lumps we are going to make a paste. Now this is done. See, it has to be this consistency. It has to be like this. Then now we'll keep it aside to rest. Now I am making jalebis with jaggery today, not with sugar. So I have taken 2 cups of jaggery powder. Then I'll add 2 cups of water for this. We have to make a syrup which has to be little thick. Sticky consistency. It shouldn't have any strings, but it has to be sticky consistency. So by the time sugar syrup gets ready, we will rest the jalebi batter aside, and now we'll add little saffron strands to this. Now we'll boil this. So let it boil till the jaggery melts and it comes to a sticky consistency. I'll show you after that. Now the next item is fafda, the main item, the combination that goes very well with jalebi. For that we need gram flour, salt to taste, turmeric powder, ajwain, little ghee and water. First we have to filter this gram flour so that we'll not have big lumps in this, and it will be easy for us to knead the flour. I have taken 2 cups of gram flour, and I'll be adding little ajwain, turmeric powder, salt to taste. Mix it properly. Let's add 1 small teaspoon of ghee. We'll crumble it. Now, by adding little by little water, we will knead it into a stiff dough. Now this is ready. We'll just grease it a little bit with oil and keep it aside. Rest it for 10 minutes. Now we have come to the required consistency. It has to just be thick, sticky. That's it. Now our jalebi batter has been rested for 20 minutes. So this is an instant jalebi. We have not fermented it. So it has to ferment instantly. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take Eno, normal fruit salt, Eno, the regular one, and take 1 spoon of Eno salt. Add it into this. Just add little water, maybe half a spoon for it to get activated. Now mix it instantly. Now immediately transfer this into a sauce bottle. Now we have to take a flat pan to make jalebis, to fry the jalebis. It has to be flat enough, and the oil should not be more than half an inch or 3/4 inch, not more than that, and it has to become medium hot. So I have kept it for heating. So by the time we pour everything into the sauce bottle, the oil gets heated. Now oil is heated, so we'll start making the jalebis. Now this is good enough. We'll remove this, dip it into the syrup, and then immediately drain it out and keep it into a plate. Now let's start making fafdas. I have taken a small portion, rolled it into long. This is a tricky thing. Sometimes it fails, sometimes it comes good. It's okay. Even if it breaks, it's okay. The taste is really awesome. So you just have to press with the help of your palm slowly and then drag it ahead. Now let's start removing this. Now we'll add this into this. The flame has to be low. It has to heat, and then you have to turn it into low and then fry it on both the sides. So now our fafda jalebi is ready. So this is jaggery jalebi, fafda, besan, raw papaya salad, green chilies. You have to combine fafdas with besan, and then as a side dish you need to eat raw papaya, then green chilies, and finally 1 bite of jalebi. It really tastes so awesome. You'll just forget everything. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.